So let's talk about regeneration, and of course the Convotherm Mini Pro also got a regeneration function. But what does it mean? Regeneration is actually the final cooking stage of prepared food. So regeneration works hand in hand together with cook and chill. So you're using your Mini Pro or the Max Pro family, the bigger units, for preparing all your food. Then you're using a blast chiller from Delfield to stop the cooking process and cool down the product and the cooking process. And then you have cold products in advance already prepared, where you have no time rush to prepare the plates, to decorate the trays for your buffet. And you don't have any food waste, because everything what is left over, you can still use it for your a la carte restaurant, because you're working with cold products. So when you set up your plates or your container, you can store them in your walk-in fridge, and when you need them for the party, for the event, or even for a la carte service, you're choosing the regeneration icon over there. And the Mini Pro already offers you two scenarios: individual plates, let's call it a la carte, or GN container buffet for bigger container. Regardless which regeneration function you're using, the Convotherm Mini Pro is creating always the right environment, either for plates or for the trays, so that we don't have too much water, condensation on the plates, and also that we have a perfect, nice and juicy product on the plate. So you don't need to adjust any steam saturation or something. The Convotherm Mini Pro is taking care of the right environment inside. And important for successful regeneration is also how to set up the plates. So the cook time, the calibration of your food items is supposed to be similar. So you cannot make a whole potato with a little bit of vegetable. Then you need to cut the potato probably in 3 pieces, so that the cook time is long enough for all the products to get perfectly hot. The beauty here is using regeneration is that you are actually releasing the stress in an a la carte service out of your kitchen. Everything is prepared, ready to use in the walk-in fridge by order. You take an individual plate. The Convotherm Mini Pro is running, for example, infinity time. Place the plate inside. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, depending on your product, is the regeneration time. And after that, you get a perfect, finalized product. So the vegetable is not overcooked, it's still al dente. The chicken breast is nicely moist and juicy. And because the plate is warm, it's actually hot, even the guest on the last table in the restaurant can be ensured to receiving a hot food. Temperature ranges in regeneration, as you know, the Convotherm Mini Pro can go up to 250 degrees, is limited in this mode. As you see, 160 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature you can go. And this is already actually too high temperature for regeneration. It a little bit depends what is on your plate. So if you're, for example, having rice, spinach, seafood, you need a gently temperature. For example, 125 degrees. Time depends. How thick are the portions, how long it takes to reach the core temperature. 5 minutes to 8 minutes. If you're having more dense products on your plate, like roast potatoes, root vegetable, a fillet, then you can of course also increase the temperature, for example 140 degrees. The product is not getting damaged. Just important, the plates, what you set up, all the product needs to have the same cooking time. It doesn't work with a big potato and a little bit of vegetable. So when you're sorting your plate, make sure the cooking time is roughly always the same, and ensure that the sauce and the decoration is coming afterwards. But yeah, working in regeneration in our Convotherm Mini Pro makes your life easier. You have cost control from a food preparation perspective, and you are able to do larger function in advance from preparation, and during the service time you release the stress. So that's all possible in regeneration in our Convotherm Mini Pro.